Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is for super beginners. I'm gonna show you how to make one of the basic Kanzashi flower petals called Marutsumami. Let's get started. Please hold tweezers like this, just like you're holding chopsticks. And let's use this square cloth today. It's 3 centimeters. First of all, hold along the diagonal. Please make sure to hold it straight from here to here. And hold a little above the corner. Now let's fold it in half this way. Each side should be equally folded. Then you can pull out the tweezers after you hold here. And let's make a crease firmly with fingers. Here. Like this. Now, hold the folded part with tweezers. And hold a little above the corner. Then, let's fold it in half again. Each side should be equally folded. When we make Marutsumami petals, we don't make a crease at the second time. For here. So hold it slightly above the corner again. This corner. Now let's move on to next. You can see the spread of the bottom part here. Can you see it? So wrap the rest of the spread from the bottom upwards and hold tip firmly. Then hold the petal with tweezers like this. Please tap the tip gently a little bit to align. Now let's use exact of glue to attach. Take this amount of glue with a toothpick. We put it on 2 places at the tips. Here and here. And press it lightly after you put the glue on it. Always gently. Then use a wooden clip to pinch only the glued part. And let it set for about 1 minute until the glue is dried up. After 1 minute, let's release it from the wooden clip. But please hold it gently. If you hold it too strongly, it will collapse. Now we have a Marutsumami petal. Let's do post-processing. You'll see the tips are sharp here. So let's be careful to cut the tip about 1 millimeter. I'm gonna show you how to do this. We use scissors and cut here. Like this. It's easy, but if we don't do this post-processing, they will push each other when they face each other. You'll see that it might be a bit of a problem when you make a flower. Now let's make another 4 petals for 1 set of a flower. Just follow the steps from the top. After completing 1 set of petals, that's all for today. We'll try to make a flower using the 5 petals we made in the other video, so please check it out. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also if you like our channel, please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. I hope you have a great day. See you until next time.